Porting your number from Red Pocket is straightforward. You'll need two key pieces of information: your account number and a transfer PIN. The account number uniquely identifies your Red Pocket account. Find it on your billing statement, online dashboard, or by contacting customer service. For example, you can access it through your online dashboard. Then, generate a transfer PIN, a 4 to 6-digit code to authorize the port. Request this PIN via text, email, or the Red Pocket app. Keep it secure and provide it to your new carrier to initiate the port. Often, the PIN is sent via text message for security. This PIN prevents unauthorized transfers, aligning with FCC anti-fraud measures. Make sure you have both, as the new carrier needs them to verify ownership and submit the port request to Red Pocket. The porting process from Red Pocket typically takes 1 to 3 business days after your new carrier submits the request. Day 1 involves the submission and initial verification. Days 2 and 3 include processing and activation on the new network. Weekends and holidays can add 1 to 2 days to this timeline. Once initiated, Red Pocket confirms the request, and you might need to respond to a verification text or call. After approval, your number transfers and you can activate it on your new plan. Following a successful port, Red Pocket deactivates your old account. Remember, porting is free under FCC rules, but ensure your new carrier supports your device compatibility. Red Pocket uses GSM, compatible with T-Mobile networks. Prepare these details in advance to avoid delays.